So to turn this into an improper fraction, you would do positive or negative 2 times 4. Positive. Ignore the negative sign. The negative sign tells you that it's a negative number, right? So it's 2 times 4 plus 1. What's 2 times 4? 8 plus 1 is 9. If you included the negative, you would get a different answer. It would be incorrect, right? So it'd be 9 over 4. Negative 9 over 4. How would I write this as a decimal? How would I turn this into a decimal? Is the answer going to be negative or positive? So I can write this as negative 9 over positive 4, or I can write it as positive 9 over negative 4, right? Doesn't matter where we put the negative sign. Can I write it as negative 9 over negative 4? No, because that changes it to positive. We know that the final answer has to be, what's 9 divided by 4 as a decimal? Negative 2.25 would be the final answer as a decimal. I want everyone to have this copied down somewhere. Okay, so let's look at this for a second. Let's break it down. How many holes do I have? Let's ignore the negative sign right now. How many holes are there? 11. Okay, copy this down as I'm doing it. So we have 11 holes, right? 11. And then there are how many decimal places? 2. So the first place value after a decimal is what? Tenths. You guys remember this? And then the next one would be hundredths. That means I have 46 what? Tenths or hundredths? How many? What do I have? 46 hundredths, because there's 2 decimal places. So it would be 46 out of 100, right? I have 11 and 46 100ths. That's it. We wrote it as a fraction. But I want you to write it in lowest terms now. Who can tell me what this would be in lowest terms? Yes. Good. So that would be 11, and what did you do to get the answer? You divided by 2. So 23 over 50, and that would be lowest terms.